Okay, let's look at some water piping, and we need to plumb this lavatory, two more lavatories. Looks like 3 water closets. Okay. Okay, let's start off with the hot water. Okay, looks like these two are already there. Let's go back. I'm gonna start this over again. Just tab and erase this guy, pin objects. Okay, let's go back. Okay, I don't know why I would say that, but okay, so let's start off with this hot water. Okay, and I'm gonna change this to a wireframe so we can see what we're doing. Okay, so we got a 1/2 inch coming out of the rough end. We need to change this pipe type to hot water, and we have hot water. We are gonna go up about right here, and now let's change this to a 3/4 inch and 10'8" from the floor, and we can come out. Okay, let me check and see. Okay, so at 10'8" we can come out, and let's just take a look at that here. Okay, let's go back, start over, and from here, that is a 1/2 inch. We're going to change that to 3/4 inch. And we're going to go up in the ceiling, 10'8", come out about right there, and go out there. Okay, and for the cold water, we're going to do the same thing, only we're going to go up in the ceiling 10'6", 1/2, and for the cold water, we're going to come up to about right there and change it to 10'6". Okay, and maybe about right there, and go out that way, just so we can see what's going on. Okay, so now, because the water heater is here, let's draw our pipe. That's a 3/4 inch. Yep. Okay, here and down here. Okay, and our cold water is going to go about right there. It's going to be cold water coming in the street from here, and I think it's a 2 inch based on what I see. So we're going to go to systems, and the pipe is going to be a 2 inch cold water. Okay, I'm in the ceiling at 10'6". Okay, so we can go from here, go out the building. We're in the ceiling space. Come out the building here and go down to the floor, or ground in this case. So let's say it's a negative 9. Okay, and we can look at our 3D pipe. You know, let's look at a section through here, just so we can. Section 2. Okay, so we can trim that back. Okay, that looks good. Let's go back to our floor plan, and we're going to connect. Let's connect the cold water into, okay, make sure we got our units, our fixture units are counting. Okay, fixture units, we're counting fixture units 0.75. okay, so as we go down, let's go down and get the two lavatories. And for the hot water, we do the same thing. 1/2 inch, we go clockwise, make sure everything is good. That's hot water. Okay, we come out about right, let's say right there, and change. We come up at 10'8". Okay, say about right there. And what we're gonna need to do is connect into the hot water. Okay, let's get this other hot water from the other lavatory. Okay, 1/2, and hot water. Come out to about right there, and come up 10'8". So that's 1/2. I'm gonna need to change that so we can see what's going on. This is gonna be a wireframe. So we are here, and we're gonna change the hot water from a 1/2 inch to a 3/4 inch, and we're gonna go up in the ceiling 10'8", so that we can connect into our 3/4 inch pipe. Okay, that's 2, and now we can connect here. We should get, okay, our plumbing fixtures. Okay, now let's get the cold water, and we can do the same thing, only our system is going to be different. So get our hot water, go around, our cold water. Okay, get our 1/2 inch, be about right there. Then we change it to a 3/4 inch, and it's going to be 10'6", the ceiling space. So we come out about right there. Okay, now we come down and connect into our pipe. Okay, let's get the other cold water for the lavatory. And again, we have to make sure that our pipe type and our system type are matching. And again, we go up in the ceiling space 10'6" to connect into the cold water. So we should get fixture units, right? Okay, good. Now let's go over to the 3 lavatories, and we are going to connect. Our cold water is going to come through, and we're going to connect here. And let's see here, based on this pipe, that's my cold water. Okay, let's look at the wireframe of this and get the cold waters. That's my cold waters here. Okay, so I'm gonna go out as far as I can 1.5 inch, no slope, cold water. Okay. We go out here, cold water, we come here, okay, and I'm gonna go here and make this guy. Yeah, that's 1.5 inch, right? Okay. So I'm gonna bring this back so we can get a good connection, because I want all three of these guys to connect. So instead of taking chances on it being too short, I am going to make sure that I have enough room in the beginning. Okay. So that there are no surprises. And I can move it back after I get my cold water connected. Okay, so that's the last one, and we are there. Oh, wait. What happened? Undo. Oh, I know what happened. Because I need to always check that that was a sanitary combination instead of a cold water fitting, because it was on a different system. So now that it's on the right system, we can do that. And at the same time, I'm going to change this pipe elevation to 10'6". Okay. And we can go over just a little bit, because I want to drop down into that pipe with this fitting. Okay, so that looks good. So we can look at that guy. Okay, and then from here we just slide it down and as close as we can get it to the fixture, right? Say, so we're watching that. Okay, so that looks good. So what we can do, take a look at that. Okay, so we got our cold water, and are we extending this guy? Yes. And that is a 1/2 inch. Yes. Let's fill it here. Uh-oh, what happened here? Oh, it's a 2 inch. Let's change this. I'm gonna make this a 1.5 inch. Okay. And now let's fill it. Uh-oh. A little closer. Okay, that looks better. So we have our piping all connected. We should get some fixture units going through that pipe. 76, yes, we like that. Okay. And next, what I'll do is connect this recirc pump up, because we're going to need a recirculation line. And next time I'll connect the hot water up to the water heater along with the cold water. Might have to move that over a little bit. But anyway, that's the cold water and the hot water connection. And I'll talk to you guys later.